Good morning, everyone, and welcome to OnToTrade's live trade room. I'm going to be going over price action and some trade setups I'll be looking for on two markets, the S&P and the NQ. Getting started on the S&P with these weaker pullbacks, coming back to that important price level that I was looking at 72 area. Moving, we'll see if this momentum from this news announcement does continue to the short side. I'll be monitoring that downside strength over the next couple days. Looking at the 240, blue is still outweighing the green, so still seeing that downside potential. Hit some price levels I was anticipating to hold at to truly see if we'd see some higher highs or lower lows, but looking like we're getting a pullback. We'll see how much of this pullback to the short side we get. On my confirmation chart, my key was 43.50, and if I was above there, bigger picture, looking for 04 up to 64. Get below 43, looking for movements down to 82, all the way down to that SR1 at 2150. Just had some news event, very strong move short. We'll see what kind of pullbacks we get. As long as I get weaker pullbacks, still looking for short opportunities as some confirmation for the market movement today. On my short-term chart, this morning my key was at 83.75, still is. Need to get some strength to truly see some higher highs above that, up towards 97.50 and possibly to the top of the channel at 11.25. But we had a big double top here. News event broke right out. So looking for lower lows now. So with pullbacks, I'm going to be paying attention to this important 44 area. And if I can stay below there, I am looking for movements all the way back down to that SR1 at 04. So some trade opportunities I will be looking for myself on the S&P with weaker pullbacks, just looking for stair steps short. I will look for those short opportunities at any of our SR price levels. Long opportunities, I'll wait for strong correction in the market and then look for some long opportunities off the SR price levels, most likely be head and shoulders. Let's take a look at the NQ this morning. And on the daily, another important price level I was looking at was this 167. Couldn't get above there. Was looking for additional downside movements, but pulling off our other SR at 829 over the last several weeks. Now we're hit this price level. We'll see what kind of downside momentum we start getting here or correction from that. I'll be paying attention to that downside strength. Looking at the 240, blue is clearly still outweighing the green, so still seeing that downside potential in the market. Coming up to some other important price levels, we'll anticipate some price actions and possible some weaker pullbacks. On my confirmation chart, my key price level was 77.5. As long as I was above there, I was looking for movements to 08 up to 245. But clearly below that now, looking for 47, which we just now hit, with strength all the way down to 505. On my short-term chart, my trading chart, looking for some opportunities in the market today. So my key price level this morning, when I did my game planning, was 933. Needed some strength. Then I would look for movements up to 113. Clearly push back below that. Movements down to 62, all the way down. With it breaking that SR1 at 21. Literally could see movements all the way back down to 591 today, so I'm going to be paying attention to that. So my trading game plan on the NQ with weaker pullbacks, just looking for additional short opportunities at any of the SR price levels. Pretty much the only long trade I'll be looking for is a head and shoulders. I want to see a significant correction from this news event. Just want to point out, our SR price levels are established days, weeks, months ahead of time. They're not lagging algorithms, nor are they Fibonacci's. The lagging algorithms, the MAC and the momentum, just telling me why we're just screaming down, just mimicking price. So not giving me any other information other than what my SRs are already giving me for my price action and trade setups. And we'll see everybody for the recap.